10 amazing facts about nature. Seeds from a wildflower, the Arctic lupine, found in Alaska, have grown in the lab after being frozen in the ground for 10,000 years. The bristlecone pine, which grows in the deserts of Nevada and California, is the oldest living species in the United States. Some are believed to be 4,600 years old and can live to be 5,500 years old. On February 20, 1943, in a cornfield near the village of Paricutin, Mexico, the ground cracked open and began to spew red-hot rocks. A volcano was born. It grew to 35 feet the first day. By 1952, it had soared to 1,352 feet and had buried 2 towns. Iceland is a 39,000 square mile island that is built of lava from volcanoes. Major eruptions occur every 6 or 7 years. Almost 1/3 of the world's lava output since 1500 has poured out onto Iceland. The loudest sound in history was recorded in July 1883 when a volcano on the tiny Indian Ocean island of Krakatoa erupted. The explosion was heard 3,000 miles away in Madagascar. Ash clouds shot 25 miles into the sky. The eruption also created giant tsunami, sea waves, that reached heights of 175 feet, speeding across the ocean at 400 miles an hour and destroyed over 300 towns. Antarctica is the coldest continent on Earth, where a temperature of 126.9 degrees Fahrenheit below zero was once recorded. The number of bacteria in a quart of soil from your backyard garden is 30 times greater than the population of the world. Steamboat Geyser, located in Yellowstone National Park, is the most powerful geyser in the world, and can shoot super hot water 300 feet in the air. Every year, plants make and store 10 times the amount of energy that people use. One tree can provide enough oxygen for 2 people to live off of for their whole lives.